Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji. So in this video I wanted to share a home decor haul. I haven't done one in a while because I haven't been inspired. I haven't seen anything that I like at the stores, so I was able to stop by Homegoods and Target to pick up some new items because fall is around the corner. Of course, I want to switch up my home a little bit, not too much, but just a little. So without no further ado, let's jump into this haul. Okay, this item that I picked up at HomeGoods, I got this vase. It's a part of their artisan collection at HomeGoods. It's more of a brass color, and it has like that textured, not hammered, but more of an imperfected texture on this vase. This vase I got for $30. I really like this vase. It fits my decor, and I'm trying to incorporate a little bit more brass in my home mixed with a little bit of chrome as well. But I really like this. I like the imperfection of this vase. It's not really carved, but it's just formed, you know, to give that unique look, which I really like. Next up, I got this vase from Target. This is a part of the Hearth and Hand collection, the Magnolia collection. I really like this vase. I like the imperfection, of course, on this as well. It's a part of a set. I think I'm gonna pick up the smaller vase to this as well. This I got for $12.99, and it's called the Bud vase. It's the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia Bud vase. I really like this. It matches my decor. I like gray instead of black. I think black is a little bit too harsh. I like that this is more of a graphite gray. It's a little bit softer. It gives a little bit more texture of the home and a little bit more softness on my decor. So I didn't want to use black because black is a little too sharp. It doesn't make your home feel cozy. I think black and white it's a very tricky color to decorate with, but I prefer graphite, which is like a softer gray. Sorry, not a softer gray. I prefer graphite, which is a softer black. It looks great in my home, and it kind of gives like a cozy feel. So I really love this color and the texture on this vase. One of my favorite vases that I picked up was this vase that I found at HomeGoods. This is also a part of the artisan line at HomeGoods. This I got for $24.99. I love the texture of this. Like I said, I like the graphite look of this vase. It's not as harsh as, you know, black. It's a little bit softer, and it has a little bit of texture on there, which is great. And I also like the detail here. It kind of brings like a different vibe in my home. It makes it feel like I've traveled, and I've picked up some unique things on my travels, and this vase pretty much says that. So I really like this vase. It's gonna go perfect in my living room, and I'm also gonna share a video with you guys with my new decor. So I'm really excited for this vase. I really like this as well. Here's another vase I picked up at HomeGoods. This vase is this one was made in Portugal, and this is of course a part of the artisan line at HomeGoods. This one I got for $24.99 as well. It's such a neat vase. Like I said, it's very unique. It looks like, you know, I've traveled the world, and I picked up a few unique pieces to add to my home, and I really love this vase. It has like circular detailing going around the vase, which adds a nice texture and look to my home. So I'm really excited to add this to my home as well. So I really love this vase. So another piece that I did pick up at this one I got from Target. I wanted to pick up a neutral wall art for the kids room. I've been trying to find a wall art that will fit perfectly with their decor, and I was able to pick this up. This is from the Studio McGee collection, and I got this one for $45. I've been into HomeGoods, I've been into Marshalls, and all their wall, you know, their frame wall art is very expensive, or is something that doesn't go with the kids room. So I think this neutral frame canvas art is gonna go perfect. Maybe, because sometimes when I put things together it doesn't work out, but I think this will work for right now. I just wanted something neutral for the wall because their room is pretty much decorated and I didn't want to make it feel cramped, so I just want something neutral to tie the space in together. So I think this wall art will work just great in their room. The price of this wall art is $45, and I think that's a great deal. It's much less than all the other wall art that I saw at Homegoods. Homegoods is a little bit more pricey. Their wall art is like $60, $70. But for the size of this size is, let me see here. The size of this is 24 by 30. So for 24 by 30 wall art, $45 is a great steal, because at HomeGoods they're a little bit more pricey than that. So I really love this wall art and I hope that it works well in their space. Next up, I did pick up this hurricane candle holder at HomeGoods. I did pick up a set of 2. Each are $19.99. I'm gonna place this on my balcony. I wanted to spruce up my balcony a little bit as well, because the existing hurricane vases that I have on my balcony, they're kind of, you know, dingy. They're all dried up from the sun and the environment. So I wanted to buy a new hurricane candle, and I did also pick up some brass or gold stands from Amazon for them to sit on. So I think the look is gonna look, well, I think my balcony is gonna look really nice. So I'm really excited to decorate my balcony, which I'm gonna show you guys as well. So this is the stand that's going to go with the hurricane candle. I did pick this up on Amazon. You just pretty much sit this on here and that is the base. But I did get 2. You could combine it to make one stack of what's that, I would say like one stack of shelf, but I decided to separate it and then create 2. They're on 2 different levels. One is a large, one is a small, and I'm gonna place the hurricane candle holders on here. It's gonna look really nice. But this is like a bamboo finish, and I got this. I think they're like $16.99 and the other one is like $15.99, which is a great deal. No, sorry. It's one set, it's 2 in 1. So for both, I think I got both for $30, which is a great deal. So it's like $15.99 for each pieces. So I really like this as well. I did pick up these photo frames from, these photo frames I got from Target. This is a part of the Project 62 collection. I really like that collection at Target. I like these frames. I'm gonna place these in the kids' bedroom. I still have my kids makeover video to show you guys, which is on the way as well. So just have a little bit more patience, that's coming. But I really like this set. I like the texture of it. It's very different and neutral as well, and it could go with any decor. But I wanted to add, I wanted to add a little bit of interest and texture to the room. I didn't want to have it all the same color, so I really like these frames. I forgot to tell you guys the price of these frames. So this frame is $12.99. Both frames are $12.99. This is 7 by 5 and 4 by 6. So each frame is $12.99. Next up, I did purchase this candle holder from HomeGoods. I dropped it and dinged it a little bit, but I got this for $16.99. I like this candle holder. It looks really modern and nice in my foyer. I think I'm gonna add this in the foyer to add a little bit of texture and, you know, a different look and vibe in the foyer for when I do, you know, step into my home. I want to have like an inviting look and feel. So I really like this candle holder. It has a marble base and a brass, 2 brass candle holders right here, which is really nice. Another piece I picked up at HomeGoods is this antler that I found. I got this one for $12.99. I really like the look of the antler. I do have a black one that I picked up at Pottery Barn, which I sprayed black, but I really like this because it's brass and it adds a nice texture and look to my coffee table. So I'm super excited to place this in my home. I really love the texture of this. I don't know if it's dinged up or if it's purposely done, but it do have some silver spots on there as well. Maybe it's to add texture to the antler, but I really like it. It's gonna look so beautiful on my coffee table. Okay, next up, I did pick up this brass bird that I got from HomeGoods for $8. This I'm gonna add to my balcony. I wanted to tie the black and gold theme of my balcony in with this bird. I do have another bird on my balcony which is black, but I'm gonna pair them together and it's going to, you know, tie in the hurricane candles that I did pick up. So I really like this. It's such a beautiful bird. Plus I like the gold or the brass color of it as well. So it's really gonna look really neat and cool on my balcony. So I did pick up a pumpkin, well, a couple of pumpkins at HomeGoods. This one is a part of the artisan line. This one was made in, handcrafted in Vietnam, and this was for $12.99. This is more of a copperish, goldish look. It's not really gold. It's more, oh sorry, not copper, it's bronze. This is a bronze colored, bronze colored pumpkin, which I like. And I also did pick up some black cloth pumpkins to go with it as well. So I am thinking of pairing it together like this on my countertop. I think this is gonna look great for fall because I can't add orange to my home because I don't have anything orange. So I think the bronze and the black is gonna work well together, which I really like. And then this pumpkin, it has like sparkles on there, not too much, just a little tiny bit to add a little glam. And this I got for $6.99 at HomeGoods. This is just a regular pumpkin that I found at HomeGoods, which I really like as well. I did also pick up this pumpkin for $8. This have more of a wire texture on there. I really like this because it's very neutral and it will work great together with the black as well. As you can see, I like the way they're paired together. If I could find another one, it would be great, but I was able to only find one of these, so I'm trying to make fall work. Well, like I said, fall is a little tricky, so I really like this pumpkin. And yeah, this one was made in India as well, so I guess this is a part of the artisan line at HomeGoods as well. But I really like this pumpkin. Is really cute. I was also able to pick up the moss collection at Hobby Lobby. I needed to add a little bit more moss to my balcony. I did purchase one of those concrete bowls and add some moss in there to give it a little bit of texture and, you know, to make it feel like a Zen garden. So I did pick up a little bit more moss to add to that bowl. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys that video when I do redo my balcony, so look out for that one. But this I got for $8 at Hobby Lobby. So you guys, that's it. Those were the items I was able to pick up at my local HomeGoods and Target. I'm really excited to place these items in my home. They're very unique and I love that it goes great with my existing decor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.